In the heart of the forest, life flows with a rhythm as old as time. The rain falls, nurturing the land, and in its embrace, we rediscover our purpose. Every step she takes echoes with a whisper, a reminder of the bond we share with nature, a bond too precious to break. She reaches out to the ancient trees, feeling their strength, their wisdom. In these woods, she finds more than just peace. She finds her calling. Even in the smallest of creatures, there is a world of wonder, slow, deliberate, purposeful. Their journey reminds us that life's beauty is in the details. Here, in the quiet of the forest, she dreams of a future where nature thrives.